And today we are going to read the chapter number 12, Gone but Not Forgotten. So it is a very touching poem. So learn it very well. So just start reading. Gone but not forgotten, this pain I cannot hide in memory. I see you a million tears I've cried. So in the first stanza, we are being taught that memories that could enjoyable, happy, and also stressful in our life. Here the poet is recalling her memories of his beloved one, that the person has gone, but not the memories. Get to the next stanza. The tender thoughts you left me come to my mind. Your loving smile, so precious, will always be with me. So in this stanza, the poet is recalling of the smile of her beloved that comes as a memory to the poet and remains forever with her. You visit me in summer when flowers are in bloom, upon a ray of sunshine, a starlit night in June, when winds are gently blowing across a cloudless sky, with a rolling meadow, when horse and cattle lie. She remembers that his beloved visited in summer when flowers were in bloom, the sunshine and starlit night. She also remembers he was with the poet when winds were blowing in an open sky. I see you in the treetops as summer comes to be in shadow. You do linger, a soul so young and free. I see you in the garden. Your scent does fill the air, just like a precious flower, a rose so ever fair. So, in this stanza, she recalls that she got him on the top of the tree when sunshine decreased, and also in the garden that fills the fragrance. She got him as a she got him as a soul that was filling the air of garden with fragrance as a beautiful flower a rose does. Get to the next stanza. Our country roads, I find you along the wooded lane. With the distance thunder, I see you in the rain. She finds him in the thunder and rain. Stanza. In early hush of morning, you come with the you get to the next stanza. In early hush of morning, you come without a sound upon a blazing sunset. Your memories can be found. So, in this stanza, the poet is explaining that she finds his beloved and his memories in the dawn early morning. Get to the next para. Like spring of morning glory upon the vine, they grow with branches reaching outward. In my heart you go. Just like a special angel, God wrapped you in her care and took you off to heaven to live with him, to live with him up there. But often I still see you upon the sky and long so much to hold you. Why did you have to do? Why did you have to die? She considers that her beloved was taken by God to heaven as an angel to live with him there. But sometime the poet is upset and cries and thinks that his beloved should not have died. So that's all in the chapter. Hope you have got the chapter well.